Hi Robin, this is Noy and this is regarding the position you applied in ZipRecruiter. So is it the best time now to have the initial interview?
This is a sample job where you can work from home.
Oh sure. Alright, so I'll call you back then after 50 minutes. Alright. And see if this is your most updated one, then we can discuss the position further, okay? So Anissa. Alright, so you just ended your employment with them. May I know the reason for you? Do you have the call center experience by any chance? So I would assume you have like invoicing experience with that one. Okay, great. And do you have though this is a remote position, you will be having like a week training in office. You think this is something that you can do? Okay. And so the training schedule will be from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Do you think this is a doable schedule for you? Alright. And then there is a possibility of weekend as well, if that would interest you as well. Do you have like a dedicated office where you can work without distraction? Right. So do you have like high-speed internet? Alright. So after this call, I'll be like sending you an email, and that I'll be requesting you like a screenshot of your internet speed test, because they wanted to make sure that you have that high-speed internet. Okay. All right. And then the pay for this position. Also, they'll be conducting background and drug screening. They foresee any issue in there. So what I'm gonna do after this call is I'll be sending you an email, and that email will. And this is the best phone number for them to connect. Is this still your current address? Alright. Alright, so I think I'm pretty much done. Anissa, do you have any question by any chance? Alright, so I am done for today, guys.
Cute ah.
If you find it interesting, please like, follow, and share Noy Villarin's World. Thank you for watching. Kita-kita next week mga langga. Ako si Noy, ang inyong Pinoy vlogger.